Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car buffers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car buffers that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Polisher. Seasoned detailers know the importance of a lengthy power cord when working with a buffer. While a nice long cord is great, no cord is even better. The M18 uses Milwaukee's proprietary 18-volt rechargeable fuel lithium-ion battery to achieve an operating range up to 2,200 RPM. It's designed to apply weight naturally at the head so that the user need not apply much, if any, force when buffing. Its list of features includes a variable speed dial and trigger, a rubber front housing, and a removable dust cover. What makes it worth the cost of entry is its cordlessness. Be aware this is a rotary buffer and isn't suitable for those who are new to the world of detailing. Moving on at number 4. We have the Spta Small Plus Medium Size Rotary Polisher Set. Full-size car buffers do a great job at polishing large areas, but they can't reach tight spots or get near handles, mirrors, license plates. That's where this lightweight comes in. With its 3 extension shafts and 3 backing plate sizes, there won't be many spots you can't reach. This medium-sized rotary buffer comes loaded with different sizes and grades of foam and microfiber pads from super soft to coarse. This means you can adapt this power tool to the situation at hand. In our test, what we liked most about this rotary buffer is that it is very stable and controllable in even the tightest spots. Because it has no orbital deviation, you can really get up close to edges, around door handles and license plates. We easily removed minor swirl marks and light superficial scratches around the door handles of a black metallic car using the included blue foam pad with Sonac's perfect finish. But, if needed, it can effortlessly correct deep scratches too using a different pad and compound. We dialed the 6-speed wheel switch to position 4 for best control, and to stay clear of the handle, we mounted the longest extension bar. You can also combine 2 or 3 bars to get an even longer reach, by the way. It worked great. It's the versatility that is so unique to this product. Some negative customer reviews claim that this car buffer can ruin your car paint, and that's absolutely true if you don't know what you're doing. You need to take care not to put too much pressure for too long in one spot so your car paint doesn't overheat. You should also not use the polisher at the highest speed settings if you don't have to, because it is a surprisingly powerful machine that won't stall. For cooling purposes, it is important to keep the pad sufficiently lubricated with polish or compound fluid too, and to never work in full sunlight. If you keep these simple tips in mind and use common sense, you'll be just fine. At number 3, we have the Kimo 3 inches Cordless Car Polisher Set. This great medium-sized lightweight cordless sidekick isn't meant to polish an entire car. However, it sure does a great job at delicately polishing smaller surfaces where your full-size car buffer can't reach or where you might struggle with a power cord. Its very lightweight, 1.7 pounds, maneuverable size and medium-sized 3 inches polishing pads make it the ideal tool to buff A-pillars, bumpers, headlights, windshield surrounds, bodywork curves, door frames, without having to worry about the power cord scratching your paint. Kimo's 3 inches cordless car polisher comes fully packed in a zip bag which holds a 2.0 Li-ion battery pack and fast charger. A 3 inches replaceable paste tray, a microfiber polishing pad, a woolen buffer pad, a flat foam pad and a wave foam pad are also included. The foam pads that come with the buffer are okay, but they don't come close to Griot's Garage foam pads, which lift this buffer's performance to the next level. They last much longer too, which is a big bonus. In our test, we were particularly charmed by this mid-size buffer's cordless agility and its exceptional lightness. You shouldn't buy it for heavy paint correction, but it's great to remove swirl marks and light surface marring in tight places your big buffer can't reach. We recommend the 3 inches buffer over the bigger 4 inches because it's the ideal pad size to get an even finish on door sills, headlights, bumpers and A, B, C pillars. A 4 inches pad is often too large for those areas. Equipped with a smaller 3 inches pad, you'll also get longer battery life and a stronger polishing action. For our test car's door sills, this compact tool worked wonders. We got a uniform buff using a Griot's Garage finishing pad with Sonak's perfect finish after our mini buffer had done the minute detailing work first. We just let it do its work but didn't force it. By applying light pressure, we got the best results. At number 2, we have the Spta 5-inch dual action car polisher set. The Spta double action car buffer does what it's supposed to without hurting your wallet. It comes with a D handle and side handle, a packing bag, 5 inches backing plate, compound and polish, 6 foam pads, 2 wool pads, 24 sanding discs, 2 towels and a wash mitt. It's a complete car polishing set that can also be used for waxing or to polish bright metals. Right off the bat, you can see and feel that this is not a $500 buffer when you unbox it. That's the truth. However, compared to the other polishers we've tried in this price range, it's the best bang for your buck for sure. There's a lot of accessories included and we like the 3-way handle setup. You can choose between the classic side handle or D handle or just use the long nose grip. We like the long nose grip best, but that's a matter of taste. It is remarkably quiet at all 6 speeds, it feels stable and is easy to handle. For our test, we used the accessory pads and polishes that came with it. They are okay and do a decent job, but we would highly recommend upgrading to Adams or Roops pads and their polishes when the time comes to replace them. It will really lift your experience along with your results to a whole new level. We really like the way this powerful budget car buffer performs, but we feel the free accessories don't allow it to perform like it would with quality pads and fluids. Reviews show that the vast majority of customers would recommend this buffer to their friends and family. They like the fact that it is easy and safe to handle with very little vibration and that it comes with lots of extras. Some rightfully feel the included accessories are a bit of a letdown, but again, they are okay if you take the price in account. The buffer works great and that's what it's all about. The accessories are replaceable anyway. And finally, at number 1, we have the Adams Swirl Killer Car Polisher. We chose Adams Swirl Killer for our best overall because it is nicely balanced in every way. It's an affordable quality tool for semi-professional and even light professional use. In our test, we liked the way it handled. Although it has a respectable 15mm throw combined with a powerful motor, it doesn't take a lot of force to control because of its nice ergonomics. In front, it has a professional-feeling rubber long nose grip instead of a side grip or D handle. The rear grip and trigger fit comfortably in your hand, reducing muscle fatigue. The trigger can be locked for continuous use. There's the classic electronic speed control wheel on top of the handle. We also loved the freedom the 25-foot power cord gives. For our test, we used Adams Blue correcting pad combined with Adams Compound where correction was needed and Adams White finishing pad combined with Adams Polish to enhance gloss. This car polisher, or buffer if you like, performed brilliantly for both correcting and buffing our black car paint. We felt the most comfortable at speed setting 4 to 5, depending. The buffing action was powerful but controllable. We never had the feeling we were at risk of damaging our paint, which is nice. The 15mm throw is an excellent compromise between a precise short throw or rotational buffer and a shaky 21mm long throw polisher. In our opinion, it combines the best of both worlds. Customers say that this is a great machine at a good price. Some even claim that it's as good as much more expensive brands, and that it's built to last a lifetime. They also state that it has less vibration than most competitors. People are surprised about how easy it is to work with too. A few people complain that it stalls or lacks power when pressure is applied. Stalling under pressure is inherent to this type of buffer, though. If you want a polisher that doesn't stall, buy a Roops mill instead, which is a forced action buffer.
Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.